In this section of Quintana Roo, the cycle of water is special. The Holbox Fault lies behind the Riviera Maya. The rain that drops between the coast and this geological fracture is collected and drains in the direction of the Caribbean Sea. Consequently, these subterranean rivers, shown in yellow, run from west to east. The crystalline liquid, without having been in contact with the sun, is transparent. The Mayas call it Suhuija, the virgin water. This wonderful place, in harmony with the mangroves and coral reefs, has produced our incredible paradise. The Yucatan Peninsula is a block of limestone. This bedrock is only built under the sea and is composed of all the elements collected there. What elements? Dead corals, mollusk shells, animal skeletons accumulated at the bottom of the sea. When compacted, limestone rock is formed. Every time it rains in the Yucatan Peninsula, it produces a natural reaction caused by the carbon dioxide in the atmosphere that, in contact with the water, provokes a chemical reaction capable of breaking the rock. It is this reaction that creates these caves and subterranean rivers. When the ceiling of one of these caves or tunnels collapses, a cenote is created, a window, a sacred access to the water that runs underground. This process is called karstification and creates fascinating and diverse structures. In these places that look like they belong to another planet, there are archaeological and paleontological treasures, testimony of wildlife and human beings who found here the essential material for life.
Yo soy cenote. Soy luz y oscuridad. Mis aguas se adornan con cortinas de rayos de luz y se transforman en magia.
The aquifer of the peninsula is not only the biggest in the country, but also the healthiest. It is vital to preserve it. The Mexican Caribbean is not a hotel, a theme park, or a golf club. Tourism is the consequence of the ecosystemic paradise that is Quintana Roo, and we should protect it at all costs. The city and the highway are situated in an area where the subterranean rivers are shallower and the amount of caves is less. The train would pass through this route and it will be elevated. But now they build it inside the jungle in an uneven terrain and over a greater concentration of caves. This change of the route was made without scientific or geological data, nor any technical study, but due to the pressure of only financial reasons. Discarding everything already invested in the approved plan and putting the new route to a completely unknown territory and technically more difficult. No study was carried out before starting this new work. The obstacles are enormous, and the environmental cost cannot be calculated. A legend said that the Mayans used the tall bird song to locate a water source in the middle of the jungle. But now, where will we find the water? The new route is being built with a total disregard of nature, human heritage, and its future. Without environmental impact studies, without rescue and relocation of species, without geophysical studies, the law and viability of this project is completely violated.